Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to update your shipping address on GOT? Let me show you how it works. On GOT, you can only update your shipping address during checkout. Start by finding the item you want to buy and tap Buy Now. At checkout, you will be prompted to enter or select your shipping address. Double check the address for accuracy before completing your purchase because once the order is placed, the address cannot be changed. Already placed an order and need to make a change, go to Profile, then tap Help and choose Contact Us. Submit a request explaining the issue and God will assist if the item hasn't shipped yet. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your shipping address on GOT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.